The journey to the base camp sanctuary commences from Dehradun city. It is definitely one of the most beautiful drives you'll ever have to a trek. The drive is an amazing one as it will take you through some beautiful valleys, mountains, remote villages, and get a glimpse of their small busy world. The final 18 kilometers stretch of the dense pine forest, and the drive alongside river, will stay with you for a long time. And after the 10-hour-long drive, we finally reached our destination. Upon reaching, you can check in at your hotel, before heading out for a stroll through the quaint little hamlet Sankri. A place well known for trekking and nature lovers. However, the scenic beauty of the setting sun on the Greater Himalayas is a fabulous sight to end your beautiful day. After having a healthy breakfast at the hotel, we started our trek, straight towards our first destination, Uttarakhand. The initial trail was so hard, as for most of us, it was our first trek, and most importantly, a winter trek. Midway, the forest clears up to a large meadow, where you'll see two small tea huts that serve omelets, Maggi, and hot beverages.
You'll be going to Birbali.
The trail is covered with beautiful forests of oak, birch and deodar trees. And you could hear the sounds of the streams mingled with the twitter of birds along the way. In about 5 hours, the trek comes to an end at the beautiful pictorial Uttarakhand, which is the main highlight of the trek, the frozen lake. Upon reaching, one can go for a nature walk, to explore and enjoy the snow-filled areas at their best. And standing and spending time on a frozen lake, was something really unique and special. You could see it from our faces. Today we start our trek to the Kedarkantha base camp, which is at a height of 11,200 feet. Today's trail is quite short, but steeper and the terrain is undulated and mixed. The fragrance and serenity of nature will completely rejuvenate you all along the trek. It was a 3 to 4 hour trail to reach the base camp. Upon reaching the campsite, and refreshing yourself, you can enjoy your dinner and retire to your tents for the good night's sleep, as you will be waking up at 2 a.m. for your summit attempt. Today, the most important and the toughest day of the trek, as we head to summit the Mount Kedarkantha. We started the climb around 2 a.m. in the morning, and it was the lowest temperature we have ever experienced in our life till date. And we couldn't take much footage as the only source of light we had was of the head torch. And finally, after a 5-hour-long intense summit climb, we could see the sun rising. And the rest is just.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.